Hi, this is Sid B in the house, and I'm here to introduce you to the second episode of WAP, Virtual Art Presentation. I've got three participating artists, Ritu Johri, Mona Sikka and Sakshi Bajaj. We are here at Adhata Homes on MG Road, New Delhi as a venue partner, and I shall introduce you to the artists now.
Hi everyone, I'm Mona Sikka, artist from Gurgaon, and I create my art using my fingers and colors. And the painting which I'm presenting to you today is titled Nothingness. That is, in this universe, all the creation comes from nothingness and goes back into it. And this is painted in acrylic. The size is 30 by 36 and the pricing is Rs 35,000. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Sakshi Bajaj, artist from Delhi. Is titled as Vibrations of Life. This painting is 3 feet by 4 feet. The medium is acrylics. What I want to show is that these are the colors of the universe, the bright colors of the universe enhancing our lives. So all the power is within us. What we think about, we go about. The painting is priced at 70,000. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sid B, and I here represent Dr. Ritu Johri, the artist from Jodhpur who could not make it during the COVID times. However, I'm speaking on her behalf. These two beautiful paintings you see, these are the Tantra series, Tantra Part 1, Tantra Part 2. The size of the painting is 2 by 3 feet and it is mixed media on canvas. Well, what she's trying to depict in these works is basically during the old times, the ancient times, Tantra was a part of the Indian culture, which she is trying to depict in a very contemporary style. So as you can see, the figures are very bold, the lines are very prim, and the textures of the colors that have been used are spectacular. However, they connect us with the culture, they connect us with what used to happen those medieval times, though at that era. So it is the Tantra series which is here. The paintings are priced at 60,000 and 50,000 each. So 60 for this and 50,000 here. Thank you. So this is the third painting by Dr. Ritu Johri, the artist from Jodhpur. The title of the painting is Savan Ka Shingar. This is a watercolor on paper. The size of the painting is 2.11 inches by 2.3 inches. It is a watercolor on paper and it depicts a lot of life, a lot of freedom to dance, music. As you can see, a lot of people enjoying themselves, rejoicing. The lotus, the Krishna, the old monuments. So I'm sure it's depicting the heritage of our country, India. And in a very contemporary way, she's tried to pass on a message through her painting where it relates us to what must be happening during those days. However, the painting has been priced at 50,000 and I must say a beautiful job done. Thank you.
आपका शॉट रेडी है.
Well guys, today in the second episode for WAP Virtual Art Presentation, we have a very special guest. Beautiful, gorgeous actress and a model, Monica Kohli. Please welcome her. Thank you so much, Monica ma'am, to come to Adhata Homes on MG Road in New Delhi for the second episode of WAP Virtual Art Presentation. How do you feel being here?
It's my pleasure.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful experience I'm going to have today
Okay.
because WAP is a very new concept, very different and one of its kind.
Thank you so
And I'm sure I'm going to see the paintings, meet new artists, and would love to meet the people and see the paintings as well.
Absolutely. So shall we begin? Thank you.
Hi, Helen. Very good to see you.
Yeah, hi Monica.
And today I think we're going to talk about this painting. वैसे तो I'm a big fan of black and white color. So for me the first attraction is towards the color. And the intensity and the depth of the painting when you created this would be very different from what I perceive out of it. So every dark cloud has a silver lining, I would say. So in this I see the dark thing has more light coming out, more positivity. So I love the painting not only because of the black and white color, but also because of the positivity in it.
Thank you so much, Monica.
Hi Sid, how are you?
Very well done.
So we're going to talk about Ritu Johri's paintings
Yes.
today.
Yes.
What attracts me in the first place to her paintings is the boldness, the brightness and the richness of the paintings. You know, the beauty of these paintings is that it connects to our ancient culture,
Yes, it does.
and they're very attractive, I would say.
Thank you so much for your feedback. I'm sure that she's going to love feedback coming from you.
I'm sure she would.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So this is Savan Ka Shringar, I guess,
Absolutely.
and it's watercolor on paper.
Yes, it is.
So what attracts me the most towards this painting is the lotus.
Okay.
I really love lotus,
Wow.
and it is the national flower of our
Wow.
country also, yeah. And it's lovely. It's wonderful.
Wow. I'm sure Ritu ma'am is going to be very happy getting a feedback on this one also from you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Hi Sakshi.
Hello.
It's lovely to see you.
Same here.
And wonderful to see the painting as well. As you say, the painting is the vibrations of the universe.
Yeah.
The first thing that attracts me to the painting is the color. It's very vibrant and colorful. And to me, I don't know, when you painted, I don't know what it meant. But to me, it is like, I believe in something, that our life is like a canvas, a plain canvas.
Yeah.
And we should fill it up with colors. And that's what you've done.
Exactly.
I would like to, I believe that I can fill my life with colors.
Yeah.
And that's what I believe in it. And it's wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching episode 2 for WAP Virtual Art Presentation. I hope to see you again in the episode 3 for WAP. Love you all. Sid in the house for you.